Guys, now I'm going to show you all the clothes and how to make these free outfits. So the first thing we need to do is clothing. And here I'm just going to go into my inventory so that you can see into thing. Okay, to get it, you need to buy the neoclassic female V2 character, and then you'll get some stuff to have your shirt, and then you have to take the pink jeans that you get for free when you're when you start Roblox, because you don't have any stuff that costs Robux or something like that. But you'll take these pink jeans, and then for the hair you need the Belle of Belfast long red hair. And if you search free, then this hair come up and you can just buy it for free. So that's the first outfit, and it looks like this. You can have whichever you want, but yeah, that's the first outfit. Now let's go to the second outfit. The next outfit is this one, and to get it you just have to make this avatar you have to do clothing, and then you can buy this denim jacket with white hoodie. It's free, so you can buy that. And then you also can buy this beautiful You jeans. It's also free, so you can buy that too. So that's the first thing to do. Then you go to 3D clothing and buy a zip hoodie teal. It's also free, so you can put it on. It looks like this, and then you go to hair and you buy this lavender updo. It's also free. And then if you don't have this, you can go to accessories and search free. Here you see all the free stuff. But the hat that I'm wearing right now is this white one that's called Roblox logo visor, and there is a red one too. Oh, what happened now? Take that way, and then this way too. Okay, I don't know what just happened, but yeah. That's the whole avatar for this time. And the whole avatar and clothing and outfit is like this. So that's outfit number 2. Now let's go over to outfit number 3. Okay, so this is the third outfit. For this outfit we need straight blonde hair for the hair, and then for the glasses we need lens glasses. So to get that you can search Lynn and then go into featured, and there, if you buy her character, that is free. You'll get the glasses too. So you'll just need the glasses for this outfit. Then you need to search classic female V2 pants, and then you'll get the pants. And for the shirt, you need to search pastel starburst top with gray jacket, and then put all these stuff together, and then you get this outfit. Yeah. But now we'll go to the fourth outfit. Okay guys, this is the last outfit. It's not so like different from the third outfit, but it's quite a bit other outfit. It's not the same, but yeah, now I'll show you how to get this outfit. So to get this outfit, you need to buy the Lin avatar, and in that avatar you'll get this hair that I'm wearing right now. And then for the accessory, you just need to wear the same glasses. It's Lin's glasses that you can get by buying the Lin avatar or feature, or what's it called. Then you need to buy Serena, like the feature, the avatar Serena, and in that avatar you'll get the purple shirt with like a white t-shirt inside. And for the pants, you need to wear the same pants as the third avatar, and that pants are classic female V2 pants. So it's pretty easy, and all of the outfits are free, of course. So I hope, guys, I hope this helped you. And this video was pretty strange actually, because I wasn't planning on doing this kind of video, but now you have it, and I hope it helped, guys. We need to go now, but we'll see you guys in the next video or short. Bye!